Hi, third year students. So, this is Sir Cyrus. Tuturuan ko kayo ng shortcut to solve the sample size using the calculator. So, ganito lang po siya kadali kung bakit yung ibang student, madali lang sila nakakasolve. So, let's say for example, you have 5% margin of error and you're finding the 20,000 population. You're given 20,000 population. So, ganito lang po yan. Unahin nyo lang po yung margin of error na 5%, di ba? Yung 5% po, divide lang po yan sa 100. So, that is 0.05. Then, squared nyo lang po. 0.0025. Then, times nyo sa 20,000. Then, add 1. Okay, inequal nyo na. Yung 51 po, yan po yung gagamitin yung denominator. Then, 20,000 divide 51. Ayan po. Ang strategy lang para hindi kayo malito, pag may nakita kayong decimal number dyan, i-round up nyo agad. So, the final answer is 393. Okay?